DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So with Trump Media stock or Trump Media Technology stock, I'm bullish. You know, the market's bullish for me. So let me show you exactly how I would approach it. Simply put, this is how it looks like. But here's the thing, I wouldn't just randomly buy. So just for context, all I'm using is just my strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions in 2023, 2024, and I've documented everything. Here I'm sharing everything that's worked for me. So I've been in the journey 4 years and I've literally tested 24,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars course some entries, right? So the way that I would approach DJT is I want to see it pull inside my demand area, give me a double break, and only then I'd buy. Here's the thing. Between me and you, the price might not even give me the rules here, you know, it might not, it might just go without me. And guess what? That's fine. That's fine. You know, there's now one move and like ends all, you know, so obviously there are always going to be moves in the market. So there's really no point to try and force stuff. I know it might seem very persuasive, you know, to go ahead and just try to force moves because, this is the one, you know, it's not always like that. Just stick to your strategy. If you don't have one, if you want to learn mine, check the photos link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one.